the last dream, which I almost didn't realize. I mean, it was a dream that was with me for years and decades, was writing my own book. And I knew it was always there, but life and busy and career and all my years in China, so it was on the back burner. But it was in danger of dying because I was scared. I was really scared. The idea of writing a book. Never wrote a book. And I kept saying I didn't know what I wanted to write about. I think deep down I knew, and that scared me even more. But I have to tell you, that dream would not let me go. And I finally realized, because the Spirit knocked me on the head, that and I said to myself, I don't care if nobody reads it, if nobody else, I have to write this book for myself. And so I did. And I came out in 2015, 3 years already, my gosh. All right. And so the book came out, and it's my memoir with a message. Daring to dream once again. It's never too late. I think I'd like to close, I think it's time for me to close, with one of my favorite quotes. And it's by the German poet Goethe. Whatever you can do, or dream you can, begin it. Boldness has genius, power, and magic in it. Remember, it's never too late.